Assistive technology may be classified as a device or system that provides people with practical solutions to everyday life activities. They promote greater independence and safety by enabling people to perform tasks that they had difficulty to accomplish on their own. Some of the examples include aids for daily living, sensory aids for vision or hearing impaired, mobility aids which help people move within their environments, home or workplace modifications, etc. ATL BVRAT Hyderabad operates closely with several national and international organizations like LV Prasad Eye Institute, Sahi Apollo Hospitals, Shivananda Rehabilitation Center, Varun Autism Reach Society, ARMS Foundation, Swikar Upakar, NIE PID, DQ Software Solutions Private Limited, NIMS Hyderabad, University of Massachusetts USA, University of New Hampshire USA. Professor Ellen Rux is the founder of Assistive Technology Program at University of Massachusetts Lowell, USA. According to Professor Ellen Rux, engineering students all over the world should be encouraged to undertake various projects in the field of assistive technology and make its impact felt. He conducts classes regularly through video conferencing at BVRAT Hyderabad and guides students in developing projects related to assistive technology. Professor Dr. Teresa Wilcom, University of New Hampshire, USA, also facilitated our students in doing projects under Assistive Technology Lab. Teams working on the projects consist of our students as well as international students. They communicate with each other on regular basis through emails, video conferencing, etc. and also get to work on the project for a period of 2 to 3 weeks. These project teams compete regularly at national and international student design competitions. ATL provides a rich, authentic learning experience for students. It is a real-time platform for the students to learn and experience engineering design process, to apply their academic skills in a real-world context, and to develop important workplace skills which are not usually taught in the classroom. Each project team has to brainstorm and analyze alternative design solutions and justify their chosen design. They must work within a budget, analyze the cost of various design alternatives, and in the end, make a presentation outlining the design work and final solution. Products developed every year will be showcased and distributed to different NGOs on December 3rd, universally recognized as International Day of People with Different Abilities. In 2014, different products developed under ATL are Formulate Trainer is a learning aid which helps visually impaired to train themselves or recollect different mathematical formulae. The Android app L-Guide makes the communication easier with the speech and hearing impaired. Water level indicator for visually impaired. Kids on Android app supports the low IQ children in identifying pictures of animals, flowers, etc. Indian Map Identifier facilitates the visually impaired to identify and know the importance of each state. A very simple ball game for visually impaired. ATL students also visited Swikar Upakar for taking inputs from the facilitators. This work also continued in the year 2015 by developing different products like saline level indicator to alert the nurse in hospitals in the form of a text message. Writing aid for the people who lost their wrist in different accidents. A convenient clothing for hand-fractured people in the form of a smart t-shirt. Things go together for training autism kids. A website was developed in favor of Sahi Foundation representing their activities. Following the proverb, "I'm not stubborn, my way is just better," students of BVRIT Hyderabad also continued the same work in 2016. The developed products are Heat Index Gear is a device which senses the temperature and humidity outside and alerts elderly people under medication. Sign Language Glove makes communication easier between a normal person and speech and hearing impaired. 7-in-1 Trainer Board is an activity-based learning tool to train autism kids. IV fluid level indicator to alert the caretakers at hospitals in rural areas and small towns. Signaling jackets based on wearable technology helps people riding bicycles during night hours. Apricitas umbrella helps in identifying the path during heavy rains at night with the help of automatic LED lights. With the help of Sonic Labeler pen, it is easier for visually impaired to know about the states of India. As a part of audio therapy for hearing impaired kids who have undergone cochlear implant surgery, many apps were developed supporting Sahi Foundation. These therapies include early vocabulary, vehicle sounds, syllable length words, consonant discrimination, same length words, rhyming words, color identification, rhymes in different languages, and short stories. Every year, students of BVRIT Hyderabad take part in the prestigious event Engineering the Eye, organized by LV Prasad Eye Institute at Srijana Center for Innovation, LVPEI. ATL engages students in real service learning, which not only benefits members of their local communities, but also helps students distinguish themselves among their peers in their future endeavors.